Good morning, guys. Today is the day after I put on the wheels and we're going to get an alignment this morning. As you guys can see, the Q50 just looks beautiful. Hey, after that meet, after I turned off the camera, bro, I got so many compliments on the fitment and everything, bro, and a lot of people liked it, bro. So I'm happy with the outcome, but unfortunately we do have to raise this side just slightly, a little bit. If y'all can see, got a little bit of tire stuff right here, so that means it is rubbing a little bit more. Dang, it's just been cooked. Oh my goodness, why? So I'm gonna just raise it like a 1/4 inch, maybe smaller than that, just so it can kind of match this side. 'Cause this side is a good height. This side is pretty solid. So yeah, let me jack the car up and raise it. And as y'all can see from the tire wear, this side's not getting touched. It's mostly all on this side. This is probably this side it's getting worn down the most, just because I have a lot of camber. That's why. I do want to keep the camber though. It's just the toe. So the toe is probably messed up right now. So I do have to adjust it. Okay, we got everything on. Raise it up a little bit. See what we look like now. Okay, not too shabby, not too shabby. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. Now I'm about to go get it in alignment, try to fix that toe, and yeah. All right, guys, so we are here at the tire shop right now. Bro, I didn't know how much an alignment would cost, bro. This $172. That might be on the far side. I'm not even gonna lie. I probably could have went to the Mexicans and got that shit done for like $60 or some shit. I don't know. Hopefully they take care of the car, bro, for real. Jeez, it's looking so clean though, for sure. I could probably put that 2 mil spacer back on this car to make it that 5 mil, a little 5 mil. Alright, guys, finally got the alignment. They said the toe wasn't too bad. This side has negative 2.9 camber. The other one has negative 3.2 on this side, so they're not too far apart. Everything looks good. Checks out. I don't really see any scratches.
Nigga hide in the beach, codeine, but I'm not even seeing a purse here while I'm not in this shit. Don't tweet, we got fives in it. High pass, shoot a gun till it click. Get them on, had a more time sipping tricks. Ain't always no time on the link. Get better and a more time shoot the stick. How about a bullet fly, might go hit. He up into a dime bag from a knee. Pot scrape, no more. Pot scrape, no more. Fire on me, I ain't going. Fire on me, ain't showing. Got a spot, it be hot as shit. But in them trials snoring. We gotta move the body like Sims. Hoping nobody ain't knowing. I took a score on OD trim. I fucking run, stop blowing.
Another day, another meet. Look, C6. Fire next to the Porsche type meet. Alright, we're gonna see what's here. I always see this one, but it's so clean. Yeah, W car. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Is this a GT3? Nah, this is fire. Look at the fitment. W fitment. This Lexus is so fire, bro. The orange one. It's wide body. Okay, W Super. I see you on the TEs. I see you. This G80. I didn't even see this one. The wheels are nice. The B-locks. That means you're fast boy. Unless it's not. It's a McLaren right here. W McLaren. Is it GT4? Or Carrera? I don't know. Nah, this Porsche is fire though. The RS5? Oh gosh, yo, that junk looks crazy. The Apex wheels. I see you, bro. I see you. Look at this right here, bro. This is clean, brother. Oh my goodness. This is fire. See the Lamborghini, baby? That's a Lamborghini.
Yeah.
That's a McLaren. That's a Ferrari. That's another Ferrari. Yellow's a Ferrari. The red one's a Ferrari. This white one's a Ferrari.